Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to fix our download shortcut video not showing in iPhone gallery. So if your R download shortcut not working or if you're having any kind of issues with R download shortcut in your iPhone, I will show you the best and workable way to fix the error. First of all, we have to delete the current R download shortcut app, and then we will download the latest version of R download shortcut. So first of all, go to your shortcuts app, and now here search for R download. All you have to need, tap on this tap and hold on R download app shortcut and just tap on delete. Tap on delete shortcut. Once you've successfully deleted our download shortcut, now go ahead and launch a browser on your iPhone and search for our download shortcuts. Search for it, and here scroll down, and now I suggest to open this website. In this website you will get updated our download shortcut, and as you can see, this shortcut version is March 2024. So all you have to need, go ahead and find the latest version of our download shortcut, and once you are in this website, just tap on install shortcut, and it will take you into your shortcut app. Here just tap on setup shortcut and tap on next, add shortcut. Once the shortcut updated and add date, now let's go to Instagram and let's find a video to download. So for example, let's download this video. So tapping on share and tapping on send to and tapping on our download, allow, and allow. Once the video downloaded, I'm going to my Photos app, and here as you can see, I've successfully downloaded the video using our download shortcut. So follow these easy steps to fix the error. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.